Bellegarde is now at the center of criticism after the goal Haiti conceded against Scotland. Yes, he was involved in the play. Yes, we can analyze his intervention. But before attacking the player, we have to be fair. He made a mistake, but that mistake should not erase what he represents for Haiti. On the goal sequence, we have to be precise. The first shot was saved. Then Scotland got the rebound. The ball was going toward the goal area. Two Haitian defenders were already close to the post. But Bellegarde stepped into the path of the ball. The ball changed direction. Placide had already moved toward the first direction of the ball. After the deflection, he could not recover. That is why the play became so difficult for Haiti. Yes, Bellegarde can be criticized on that action, but everything happened very fast.
Bellegarde is a quality player, but for Haiti, the question is not only his talent, the question is his role. Haiti has players who can run, press, and attack space. That is one of the team's biggest strengths. Bellegarde brings technique, control, and intelligence in midfield, but sometimes he looks like he wants to be everywhere at the same time. For Haiti, he does not need to be everywhere. He needs to be in the right place at the right time.
Yes, it was a mistake, but it was not betrayal. Bellegarde did not turn his back on Haiti. He wanted to help. He wanted to save the play. He gave his energy, his body, and his football for the country. Sometimes when a player wants to do too much good, one bad decision can change the whole match. But that does not mean we should destroy him. Bellegarde made a mistake, but he still gave his energy, he gave his body, he gave his football for Haiti. And in this moment, he needs support, not destruction. Haiti will still need Bellegarde, and Bellegarde needs to know that the people have not abandoned him.